home from school today, and we wanted to do a video.
We're gonna show
our eyes.
Yes, we're gonna show you our eye look today with our new Inner Fire color
palette.
Fall palette. That's right. It's called Inner Fire eyeshadow palette. And I did an eye, and I'm gonna show you the other eye. And Nora did an eye. And we're gonna show you the other eye. So there's so many looks that you could do from these 6 colors. Nora, you want to show them on the back of your hand?
Yes. So, if you use your finger and rub it, like not hard, you like can't see that your skin color, and it's like much more bolder. If you like sparkles like me, and like you want to do the gold or the white, and you want it to be thick, and you don't want it to just be like a sparkle, you know, like little sparkles.
More pigmented?
Yeah.
We're going to show you that. Okay, first though, I'm going to show you this eye. So this is using just a few of these colors. Like I said, you could pull off so many looks with these, and it'll last forever and a day, like probably 5 years. So what I did, I actually started over here already, and I put this base color right here, which is actually called Bring It Brown. I like that, Bring It Brown. And I love using our all over brush. Okay, so it's probably one of my favorite. It's just like a really flat brush, and I use 2 different colors on this side. So we started with the all over brown, Bring It Brown, all over, okay? And now I'm gonna add a little bit more depth to it. So I'm flipping this over, and I'm just gonna go right into this crease. So everybody has a crease, okay? And our eye shapes are different, but if you have a standard eye, you're gonna go right into the crease. If you have a deeper set eye or a hooded eye, then your crease, you also have a crease, but you wanna bring it, you see how I'm going up just a little bit on my brow bone? So fun fact, the older I get, the deeper my eye is setting. Okay, so this is gonna need to start going up. And one thing that I notice people doing is they don't round it out. Well, the more round that we go, the more our eye looks like this, and it actually opens it up. Okay, we don't all have young looking eyes like this, okay? Okay, so we're gonna round that out. And then I took a blending brush, so a big fluffy brush, and I'm dipping it into, I'm loving these 2 shimmery colors. Okay, so very, very buildable, but I'm just gonna go right into that and just blend this together like, I don't know, like a little windshield wiper, just kind of smudging it up in there. It's starting to give some sparkle, okay? And yep. And then I love to take another, can you get that yellow towel? I love to take another all over brush. So I probably have 3 or 4 of these in my color palette in my brush collection, because I just use the heck out of these. So you can always get them individually, and I love to put just a really matte brow color right here just to kind of highlight that upper area. Okay, now I already have done my foundation, so as you can see, it's starting to go out here, but whenever we go in with foundation, we'll just clean that up a little bit, and it'll make it look nice and lifted. Okay, so I'll go in afterwards and do that. Okay, so I've got some color in here, and now I'm gonna flip that other all over brush over, and I'm gonna put in some of this high shimmer. So we definitely love a little shimmer up in here. Then I like to just kind of dust things off so there's not too much shimmer down there. And of course, go in with a little bit of foundation, just right under here. So like normally I do my eyes first, but today I already put a little foundation on.
Because I don't want sparkles all over my face.
No, 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 we don't. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeliner. So just coming close so they can see. So do you see how her eyelashes look fuller over here? We did a tad bit of eyeliner on her. I am a fan, and you should be a fan of the brown eyeliner. The reason why is because it is more natural, it's less harsh, but also unless you are in the winter color season, like if you've done your seasoning, like to see what color type you are you an autumn, a spring, a summer, or winter, if you have not done that, then let's talk, okay? Or talk to your consultant, because only winters should be wearing black eyeliner, okay? That means like most of the people in the world should not be wearing black eyeliner, okay? And so just dabbing a teeny tiny bit, as you can see, I don't do a ton, but what it does is it makes those lashes look fuller, okay? And then of course I'm gonna go back in and put just a little bit more mascara on. So this color palette right here, this whole brownie thing right here, if you're in autumn, this is like, okay, and it's autumn, right? And as far as seasoning, this is a great time to pick this up. And if you're in the autumn season, then these will look so good on you. And anybody can pull these off. There's unlimited eye look. So let's do a little bit on Nora. So how did we get this look? Something very simple, a little bit less bold, okay? So we went all over with, remember, the Bring It Brown, okay? So we did a base. Actually, I'm going to show them on you, okay? With giving her a nice little base, like so, okay? And then we went in, honestly, like she was saying, with your finger, okay?
That looks good by itself, too.
It really does. Like, you could just pop one of these on and be good.
And if you, like, when you dab it, it's a little less, but we rubbed this not too hard, and it, like, makes it really, like...
pigmented.
Yeah. I don't know the word.
Okay, and now I'm going in with a little bit of white on the inner corner, and boom, look at that sparkle. Now we might dust a little bit of that off on the inner corner, but how pretty is that?
Okay.
Let's do a little bit more. Okay, and then I just want to show you how to do a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, so a lot of times people struggle with eyeliner. If you do just a little stroke right onto the lashes, like you do not have to do a full-on stroke. It can just be tiny, and see, I even kind of messed that up, but it's okay, because see how smudgy it looks? And this really just thickens up her eyelashes. Now, of course, we're not doing mascara on her or anything, and normally we're not doing the eyeliner, but this is just fun for you guys, so you can see different colors. So anyways, everybody say hi to Nora. Did you love it? Do you love this eye look? I know, look how well slamming smoking she's looking. Okay, now, there is another palette. If you want us to come back and show you some different looks with this one, this is actually called our Outer Glow. So those of you that like cooler tones, if you are more of a summer look, a summer girl, this is going to be for you as far as the seasons. Again, reach out. Let us know if you need some help with that. And we'll see you next week.
Bye.